Welcome to the Loving Path video blog. I'm Dr. Lynn Brown. This week's teaching topic is Communication Skills Part 1. To communicate is to give and receive information. It is always an interchange, meaning it is a passage from one to another. This interchange implies that the receiver acquires an understanding of what is being sent, so there is sharing. Using this definition of communicating, we discover that more often than not, while we have said something to another person and they physically heard it, there's no guarantee that what has transpired is called communication. After all, just because someone heard what you said doesn't mean they know what you said. And since all human beings want to be understood, it's a good idea to spend a bit of time addressing the topic of communication. We'll start by discussing the 4 aspects of communication. Expressing is a verbalization the individual makes which starts the communication process. It's a verbalization that expresses an idea or a concept that the individual wishes to share with another person. So first is getting out the message. Listening is what the receiver does in order to start his or her part of the conversation. Listening is the first important link in the communication process. Number 2, hearing the message. Understanding is what the listener has to have accomplished in order for the communication process to continue forward. Both the sender and the receiver must be patient and allow for understanding to occur before the process may continue forward. Understanding is knowing what the sender was expressing. Third, understanding the message. Feedback is a verbalization by the receiver which pertains to what was expressed that moves the conversation forward. It is not expressing. That comes after feedback. Fourth, moving the communication forward. Unfortunately, what usually occurs is that someone expresses, and while that person is expressing, the receiver, instead of listening, is planning his or her reply. As a result, there's little chance that the receiver will actually understand what the person expressing was attempting to communicate. Most conversations are a series of individuals expressing, a dueling monologue of sorts. So, take time this week to notice where within the 4 aspects of communication most of your conversations break down. Are you merely hearing the other person talking but not paying attention to what is being said, not listening? Are you listening but not taking the time to make sure you understand what is being expressed? Are you understanding but not providing feedback before replying with your own ideas? And where are you finding the breakdown in communication with those who are attempting to communicate with you? Once you become aware of the path each communication needs to take, you'll become much better at this skill. For more information about the Loving Path and personal growth products, please visit thelovingpath.org. And thanks for watching.